Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tecent. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss about a common problem of Windows in which you come across to an error which is DXGI / error not currently available error. So this is a kind of problem regarding the Windows 10 where you come across these problems. You can fix this problem by following few steps, which is a very easy steps. You can easily follow it. You just have to go on the Chrome. On the Chrome, you just have to type DirectX, DIRECT, and simply X. Now, on the web browser, you can see there are several options of many sites over here. You just have to click on the Softly Net or any other site wherever which is preferable for you. Just need to click on that. Afterward, once you come across the website interference, you can see this has detected itself what kind of manufacturer motherboard I have in my PC. It needs an latest 11 version of Microsoft DirectX. You just need to download that. Just click on the download over here. Now the download has been started. It will take some time. You just have to wait for the moment, and once it will done, you just have to install the software and you have to restart your PC and see that your problem would definitely be eradicated and it will solve definitely. Friends, if this video help you out, then please give a like button to this video, and even if this video doesn't help you out, then leave a comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.